Okay, so just want to give you guys a feeling. I was coming down that way, right there, drive backwards, unload my truck right there, and then I just turned around that curve. I don't know how it fits. It looks impossible, but it fits. Okay people, what's up? So we are in the middle of Dortmund city, and the construction site we are driving to is like a new build settlement, and I have to get into the inner circle or just like into the middle of it. It will be a lot of reverse driving, and there will be hopefully not a lot of wrong parked cars. Yeah, I was already there like 4 times, and it's every time very stressful and very narrow street there. So hopefully I can get nice shots, and hopefully you can enjoy it. We have like 2 kilometers left, but my navigation system tells me there's a bit of traffic. What the fuck is he doing? It's just right here. Okay, now I have to find the customer. What are they doing? Okay.
I have a dream, that's all I need. I'll make it happen with some work and belief. Know what I want, so I'll take it on. I've made mistakes, but mistakes make you strong. Let's break it down for a minute. I want the crown, I'm gon' get it. You hear me loud, man, I'm winning. Yeah, Charlie Sheen will be grinning. These ladies know that I'm sinning, and this is just the beginning. I'm closing in the ninth inning. There ain't no point in resisting. Living life like a dream, live it right, that's the thing. Every night got a team, I've been tied to the scene. Out on stage, here on screen. Okay, it's a dream, and I pray as a team. One day it'll be me. If I want it, then I get it. Head down, don't regret it. Push myself to the limit. If I play it, then I win it. I'm just saying, I'm just living for today. For a minute, I don't stay, I just visit. Have no shame, I admit it. Looking right at me to see if I'm
Okay, so just want to give you guys a feeling. I was coming down that way, right there, drive backwards, unload my truck right there, and then I just turned around that curve. I don't know how it fits. It looks impossible, but it fits. Holy shit. Holy shit. Okay, so now let's get out of this hell. My roof. Such a nice trip. Hopefully you can enjoy it. Yeah, if you enjoyed, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more, and thanks for watching.